Assalamu alaikum, first of all, and congratulations on the success of this event. And what do you think that how important it is to hold such events for Pakistan's robotic ecosystem, and how oftenly will the government be organizing such events further?
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here today. I think that it's absolutely critical that in this day and age where artificial intelligence is literally taking over every single sector of the society, not just technology itself, it is, and robotics and autonomous systems is just a physical form of AI today. So this is Pakistan's first national level event on robotics and autonomous systems. I think it was absolutely critical that we stepped into it, that we were able to showcase to our own people, our children, our youth, that what capabilities Pakistan holds, and also to bring together industry, academia, students, government, military, everybody is together today, and we're here. There are panel discussions happening, there are training sessions happening, there's expo. For young children, there's exciting activities like RoboWars, like this immersive zone. So the idea is really to indulge young people in these positive, and also to give them an exposure and raise that sense of curiosity that what new areas of career options they may have in the future. So I think that was the main purpose, and we've gotten together with NCRA, which is the EME, NUS EME college, and we've made a joint effort to make sure that we're all here. We got over 500 applications from 500 companies to be here to present their innovations. Unfortunately, we could only accommodate 54 of them, but so next time this gives us an idea that we need to have a bigger one. But inshallah, we'll make it an annual event.
What one message do you have for the students who see their careers in AI or robotics?
I think that this is not the future anymore. AI and robotics have already started changing how we live, and not just our everyday social lives, but also how our economy works, how our agriculture, how our industry, and also all our national securities work. So everything's going to be taken over by, ek zamane mein we used to hear about zombie apocalypse. Something of the sort seems to be coming. Well, that's on a lighter note, but no, humanoids are literally there now. So we need to prepare our young people, and our young people today are fortunate enough to be living in a time and age where education is literally in their hands. In every smartphone that they're holding, the world is open to them. So they have the opportunity today to understand where the future is going. Jobs will not go away, but AI and robotics will change the nature of jobs. And our young people need to know what the new nature of employment landscape is going to be. So what I want to say to our youth who's listening to us is that they need to do their research, they need to see what these new avenues, new opportunities are. And it is critical that they prepare for that, not only for their individual selves or their families, but it is imperative for our national economy and national security that our youth, which is our largest asset, is prepared for this incoming change.